Hi there everybody. In this video what we're going to do is make a patch on our embroidery machine. The design that we're working with is a Lego face applique design that I made. So what we have here is a hooped piece of water soluble stabilizer, which means that it will dissolve in water. So I'm going to start by stitching out the first run of stitching on the stabilizer so I can see where my shape is going to be. Okay, so there is the shape of my Lego face, and now I'm going to lay my applique fabric down. This is just a piece of cotton fabric. I fused 2 layers of interfacing on the back to give it a little bit more weight and stiffness. So I am going to put this down, covering that first layer of stitching, and then start stitching my second layer. Okay, I'm done stitching that second layer down. Now I'm going to take it off the hoop and trim it. Okay, so there we go. It's all trimmed up, and now we're ready to start the next round of stitching. Okay, so we finished the satin stitching all the way around the outside. Now we're just going to stitch in some details for the face. So check it out, we're all done. We're just going to take it out of the hoop and add some backing to make it adhesive. So now my patch is a little bit on the wet side, but it's all cleaned up around the edges. So what I'm going to do next is I need to cut a piece of Heat and Bond light to go on the back so I can adhere it to something else. So what I will do is I will trace it on the piece and then fuse it together. So now I have the piece of the Heat and Bond light, and I have my patch, and I've trimmed it so it doesn't overlap. And I'm just going to fuse the 2 pieces together. Heat and Bond light likes a lot of steam, so we're going to give it a lot of steam to adhere. Now, the backing can be removed, and now this surface here can be stuck to something else, and you have a patch. Cute.